Oh yeah. Snake Manus wants to know how long the flood will be.
How long until it gets here?
Yeah.
Could be up to probably 20 more minutes, maybe. Certainly possible.
Here we go, baby.
Front wall of the flash flood, Big Flood Creek, right here in Mayer, Arizona.
And the problem is you're not gonna get across the road right now.
Huh?
You're not gonna get across the road right now. Or at least on this side. Hop on. That's why I didn't want to go there, because of her shoes.
Oh, shoot.
Ooh, smell it? All right, let's go.
Muted this time, or we're not?
She's definitely coming in heavier this time.
Yep.
The tree branch. All right. Start to take that step backwards. front wall's right there. We can still catch it again.
Yeah, we can if you want to.
Let's do it. Go on, go where I came in from. Big run. Oh. That was close. Hey buddy. We were not smart. We were not smart thinking about this because now,
Because it's still coming.
where are we gonna go?
Up there. It's not coming that much.
No. Well, I mean, how are we gonna get to your car?
We're gonna have to wait it out.
Outside? I like the car.
I didn't realize it was going to flow. I should have realized it.
Well, I didn't know it was gonna come in bold. I thought I came across one.
Well, we got to decide now whether we're going to go there or try and climb up that.
I think this is just extra. I don't think we're gonna get caught in that.
Okay. As long as we stay here.
Cause you see how little it is
Yeah.
compared to the rest.
Most of it's going down that way. As long as it doesn't increase it much. There it goes.
When baby flood joins big flood. It'll expand a little bit across, but I don't expect it to. I did not hear. You were so far from where me, at least from. I could barely hear you.
Intercepted flash flood front wall 3 times on the same flood. There's like 3 scenarios in here. We made the naive decision to actually park the truck. See if we can do that. Back that way. There's no way. It's right there. Full video up tonight. Either tonight or in the morning. I'll have it from you at that notified. So hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already. If you want to see the full video before. Or in the live day.